Hey Stays, today I'm bringing SKZOO cookies to life, one adorable cookie at a time. Hi, I'm Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and if you love decorating sugar cookies or you want to learn how, you're in the right place. Let's decorate together. So Stray Kids is a K-pop band that's a lot of fun, really great music, and they have these little characters that I'm going to decorate today, and I apologize, I don't know too much about the characters, so forgive me for my lack of knowledge, but they're super cute, and I'm making these for a friend of mine, so let's get started. So I started by using a paper piecing method to trace the design onto my cookie, and now I'm just outlining the top part with a gray royal icing in about a 15-second consistency. And now that it's outlined, we'll just go ahead and flood that in. And once it's all flooded, I'll take my scribe and use it to manipulate the icing out to the edge and to smooth it out. And then I want to immediately grab my white icing and outline the bottom part of this cookie and flood that in again. You don't really need to outline the inside part here, but I did. And then I'm just going to flood that in right away so that the gray and the white blend together with no line of separation between the two colors once it's dry. This is called a wet on wet effect. So I'll just real quickly settle this white icing down with my scribe, then I'm going to grab my gray icing again and just put two little dots right in the white icing, and then I'll set this aside to dry completely. Now that it's dried completely, I'm going to use my black edible marker and just draw in the eyes and the mouth, and then I'll go ahead and pipe in a nose here. My black royal icing is more of a 25-second consistency, so I'll settle it down with my scribe, and then all that's left is to pipe this little swig of hair at the top, and then this cookie will be done. I think they're super adorable. If you enjoyed this, please be sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and stay tuned for all of the rest of the cookies in the SKZOO set. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.